And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this dance starts with the leader and the follower separated on the sides of the dance floor. Leader, you're going to be on the left side facing the audience. Follower, you're going to be on the right side facing the audience. So you want to make sure you don't start completely on the sides of the floor. Nick and I are starting about 5, 6 feet apart because we're going to turn and hook arms right away. So for the first 2 counts of the dance, we are just going to look at each other and register the beat of the music. And then on counts 3, 4, we're both going to turn in towards each other to get arms linked. So the leader is going to turn clockwise starting with their right foot, and the follower is going to turn counterclockwise starting with their left foot. So we'll show it really slowly. We hold 1, 2, we turn 3, 4. So let's go ahead and break down this footwork starting with the leaders. Leader, you're going to turn starting with your right foot. You hold 1, 2, you step right, left, right. So you take about 2 steps to get around, and then on your 3rd step, you are just centering your weight and making sure your right arm is ready to hook with your followers. Now follower, again, you also take 3 steps to turn. You're gonna start with the left foot, holding 1, 2, turn left foot 3, right foot 4, finish with your weight, have your left arm ready. Now you just wanna make sure you both aren't too close together, because then hooking your arms might feel like too congested in that area. So make sure there's still enough room. Leader, your right arm is gonna come across. Follower, your left arm is gonna go underneath, and then you just hook your arms together. So we hook our arms, leader goes 5, 6, follower goes 7, 8. Now from here, we're gonna take 2 steps forward, both starting with our outside leg. So leader, that's your left foot, follower, that's your right foot. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on counts 5, 6, we're both gonna take a step outwards. So again, leader left, follower right, and we're gonna slide away to get hand in hand. So as you notice, when we slide away, leader your right arm and follower your left arm, you wanna keep them connected with each other. So try not to completely pull apart and then end up hand in hand. Staying connected will make it look more seamless. And then with your outside arm, so follower, this is your right arm, leader, that's your left arm, you're gonna go up and over, and then you're both gonna step into each other to finish in your closed dance frame. Now my tips for this up and over arm, you both wanna make sure you're drawing a nice line, or I would say like an archway or a curve with your fingertips. So you want to try not to start with the elbow. You want to let your fingers go up and over and then come together. We are now going to show you this intro facing the opposite way. Feel free to try it with us whenever you are ready. And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.